got Puffin Town Council happening behind me here at the moment. This seems to be the favoured landing spot as they come in from the sea. They come zooming up around here, so they seem to land here, have a bit of a chat with their friends before going off and finding their own burrow. So seem to see what's going on over here. Get so close. Then this one. There it goes. Well, that's interesting. That's two. Wrong one. How are they going to work this out? I often wonder how they know which one is their burrow. But if you can see over here, many of them have got these white splats that look like paint, but it's really penguin poo. And I suspect some of it is to do with the scent, that they can smell which one is their burrow. But I'm sure that there's more to it than that. And it's interesting because if you looked at a puffin and their feet, they don't look like the greatest diggers, yet these burrows are obviously very sophisticated. So how do they get the burrows to be so great? And what we know is that the rabbits and the puffins share the same burrow. So my bet is that actually the rabbits turn a basic burrow into a luxury burrow, and then the puffins come in, keep the rabbits out, and use the amazing burrows.